Ever filmed a video that looked like it was shot during an earthquake? We've got the fix. Today, we're diving into CapCut's powerful video stabilization feature to transform your shaky footage into smooth, cinematic masterpieces, all from your phone. First things first, open CapCut and import the video clip you want to stabilize for this tutorial. I've got a clip that's a beta Euros Lively. Once your clip is on the timeline, tap on it. You'll see a menu of editing options appear at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Edit option and give it a tap. This will open up a more detailed set of tools for your selected clip. Now swipe through these options until you find Stabilization. It's usually found a little further down the list. Tap Stabilization, and CapCut will start analyzing your footage. This might take a few moments, depending on the length and complexity of your clip. You'll see a progress bar indicating that CapCut is working its magic while it's doing this. You can choose the stabilization level. CapCut offers 3 main levels. Stable is a good all-rounder. More stable is for seriously shaky footage, and less stable allows for some natural movement. For most handheld shots, stable is usually perfect once you've made your selection. Tap the checkmark in the bottom right corner to apply the stabilization. And there you have it. See how much smoother that footage is now. The jarring shakes are gone, leaving you with a much more professional and watchable result. You can easily compare the original and stabilized versions in the preview window. To appreciate the difference, get ready to impress your viewers with your newfound stabilization skills. So next time you're out filming, don't let camera shake ruin your shot. CapCut stabilization is your secret weapon for smoother, more professional video. Right in your pocket. Happy editing.